Audi and SAIC presented the Audi E sub-brand and concept. Without the 4-ring logo, it is not present on the body or in the interior. The new Audi sub-brand was created specifically for China together with Volkswagen Group partner SAIC Corporation. The 800-volt modular ADP, advanced digitized platform is already prepared for Audi models. The electronic architecture provides extensive digital capabilities for the media system, network services, and autonomous driving. The Audi E concept car is a large and low station wagon. The length of the car is 4,870 mm, the width is 1990 mm, the height is 1,460 mm, the wheelbase is 2,950 mm. The Audi E concept has a dual-motor all-wheel drive, with a power of 775 horsepower and a torque of 800 Nm. This is enough to accelerate to 100 km/h in 3.6 seconds. The traction battery with a capacity of 100 kWh provides a range of 700 km without recharging. It will take only 10 minutes to replenish the reserve of 370 km if you use a fast-charging terminal. The chassis has air suspension and a steering mechanism on the rear axle. The design of the car was developed in Audi's Beijing design studio. The concept reflects current trends popular in China, but at the same time, almost none of the features of the company's existing models have been preserved. The side rear-view mirrors have been replaced with cameras, and the company logos are backlit. The dashboard is equipped with a 4K touchscreen, and microfiber and wood with built-in backlight fibers are used for the trim.